People. This video has been circulating on social media.
Coconut, so big up Rosalie for the money gun.
Welcome to the Countdown Quickie, where I give you a trending topic in a jiffy. It's your girl Danger, and without further ado, let's get right into today's topics. Alright, readers, so for today, we will be discussing the entire split the bill debate and this new TikTok live trend that seems to be running the streets. So stay tuned. So recently, a video went viral on social media showcasing a young man in an argument with another young lady regarding whether or not the bill should be split. Take a look.
Only paying for what's on the check. I'm not splitting the bill, shawty. That's crazy. You expect us to split the bill?
You got lamb chop, you got steak, you got some other.
Look at all that. Look at what all they got. And they talking about splitting the bill.
Come out for? What did you come out for?
We come together and
Alright, I'm
split the
saying
bill.
so again. My thing is, y'all doing too much.
Y'all doing way too much. We didn't order all that. But when I'm
Okay, Berritos. Let us just get into this story a bit more. Right? So what I am getting to understand is that apparently the lady in the pink, that's her birthday. And so she went ahead now and decided that she was going to invite her friends together to be a part of this dinner to celebrate her and her milestone. You know, the lady a ton big woman and so. However, after everyone ordered their foods, ate what they were supposed to eat and everything, and the bill came to the table, my lady go says she want the bill for split. So this is where the young man now got extremely upset, because he's saying your friends ordered way more expensive meals than I did. So I believe that it is absolutely unfair for us to split the bill. Can you believe it, Berritos? Imagine you are invited to a dinner and you purchase your little $5 burger while you see other persons purchasing $10 lobsters, $20 shrimp, and you just decide, you know what, I go and settle with my burger. And when the bill come, they have the audacity to say that the bill should be split. Boy, readers, the conversation even gets hotter, because what happened was that Daytime Live, which is this show on TVJ, went ahead and had an entire conversation on the topic. They posed the question: it's your friend's birthday dinner and the bill comes to $4,200 USD. Are you cool with splitting the bill or not? Now, by readers, having posed this question, there were a lot of mixed views in the comment section. One lady was saying, not a problem with me, it's my friend. Friend is not a title that's just passed out randomly. So if we are considered to be friends, I'll split the bill or even cover it too, as long as I can afford it. While another gentleman now went ahead and said, nope, I will pay for what I ate. One thing I know, the biggest moocher of the group had the biggest portion of the bill in hopes of sticking the payment on everybody else. Wow. And need I mention, I know I said it already, but let me mention yet again, Berritos, that the bill came up to a whopping 4,200 USD. That's US dollars. It's not Jamaican currency this we're talking about, you know. Where, you know, if a little $42,000 would have bad, I know so bad. We are talking about US dollars, a strong money that, you know. Now, I am not quite sure how much that is in Jamaican currency, but I know for a fact that that is a lot of money. But my readers, let me know what you think in the comment section down below. This is an ongoing debate. I want to know if you are on the male side of the argument. Would you stand up on your feet and say, listen, I am not splitting the bill because your friends ordered way more expensive meals than I did? Or would you be on the birthday girl side of the argument to say that, why, you know, really and truly is my birthday, so I believe this is a gift from everyone to me to just simply split the bill? Sound off in the comment section down below. Moving right along into the next story. So recently, by readers, this video was pretty much taking the internet by storm. It was showing a young lady sitting on a live, staring in the camera and reacting to each gift that she got on the TikTok live. So for instance, if she got an elephant, she would go, ooh, elephant. And by readers, if you don't believe me, no, take a look.
Good. Coconut so good. Coconut so good. Balloon. Grab, 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 grab. Mmm, coconut so good. Grab, 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 grab. Balloon. Grab. Ice cream so good. Ooh, ooh, ooh. Oh, thank you, VC. You got me feeling like a queen, huh? Thank you, Shelby. Fire, 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 fire. Ooh, gang, gang. Gang, gang. Ice cream so good. Fire, 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 fire. Thank you, Lily. Slay, huh? Meow, meow. That was so good. Coconut. Pop. Amazing. Oh, thank you, Chris. I love you. Love you, love you, love you, love you, love you. Balloon. Grab. Ice cream so good. Oh, thank you, user. I love you. Love you, love you, love you, love you, love you. Cake, 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 cake. Fire, 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 fire.
Okay, then, so now, burritos, what is more shocking to highlight is that after this video went viral, other persons started to pick up on the trend. And what I am getting to understand is that apparently what these people are doing is trying their best to entertain the audience on these TikTok lives in order to get more gifts. Because can you imagine every time you send somebody a lion on TikTok, they go row, row. You know, and it cracks you up. It makes you want to laugh. And for some persons, they find it entertaining. But yeah, man, burritos, it was quite shocking to me when other persons, including Jamaicans, went ahead on this trend to try it out themselves. Gonna take a look.
For the panda, I'm scared of panda. Thank you. Thank you for the Thank you for the times 3. Thank you. Thank you for the TikTok. Thank you. Thank you so much for the love. I love you too. Thank you. Thank you. Rosa smell good. Thank you.
Thank you for the money gun. 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 Yes, 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 yes. Thank you for the money gun. One money gun. Yes, 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 yes. Thank you for the money gun. Thank you for the money gun. Yes, 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 yes. Thank you for the money gun. Thank you for the money gun. Thank you for the money gun. Yes, 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 yes.
Hot dog. Pick up Rosalie. Pick up Rosalie. Hot dog. Devonos ice cream. What them there? What them there? I.
Boy, burritos, at the end of the day, what I've realized is that we are now growing in a society where people are just being creative when it comes to making money, right? People will go far and wide. They will think of anything when it comes to just making a little money for put in them pocket. When you look at OnlyFans, some people, they aren't even posting anything that exciting on OnlyFans. It's literally just to have the audience over so that them can make the little cash. So clearly these TikTok stars believe that, okay, this is yet another innovative way for me to come on here and make a little change. So they went ahead and did it by all means. Now, a lot of persons, especially Jamaicans, may not agree with this decision. Some persons are scoffing at it. Some persons believe that it is absolutely hilarious and absurd. But at the end of the day, burritos, a lot of these TikTok stars, them probably don't have a job. And if they realize that going in front of a camera and making some sounds is what go put bread on them table, then that's what they have to do. But I want to know what you think. Sound off in the comment section down below. If you had a large TikTok following and you realize that this is something that allows you to get more gifts on TikTok, would you do this as well? And have you ever been on one of these TikTok lives? Sound off in the comment section down below. Alright, so that is it for today's Countdown Quickie. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe. It's your girl Danger, and I am signing out. Bye, burritos!